Welcome back to Optimized Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today, guys, we are doing a simple, basic, and straightforward meal prep for the week. If you're fortunate enough to come across the dozen eggs that you're allotted to buy from the store, we recommend cooking them up in some type of omelet or scramble and adding some veggies, some seasoning of your choice. This is what we're doing. We did kale and we added some onions, garlic. Don't let anybody tell you you can't cook eggs. Whatever pan you've got, it will be fine. I'm just gonna stir these around a little bit, and then I'm gonna pop the lid back on, and it's gonna come out as a kind of a chunkier quiche. You could add cheese to this. You could do any type of seasoning profile. We do so many different omelets, but we just wanted to show that you can take 5 minutes to make this for yourself. This is a full dozen of eggs, and it can last you the whole week or however you choose to portion it out. Let us know what you think. Please send in some requests for additional recipes that we can try to make healthier for you. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.